Hey guys, it's Louie the Boiler Man. Today we're working on an NCB 240 Navian boiler. We're actually replacing a fan inducer motor assembly. Alright guys, we're looking at an NCB 240 Navian boiler, as you guys can see in the video. Right now we're starting to remove the gas piping going into the venturi. So you guys can see the guys is taking out the 4 screws. Alright, we just removed the gas piping. Now we're taking out the venturi off the blower motor, or actually the fan inducer motor, I should say. So the one on the left is the old, the one on the right is the new. Guys, I always advise you guys to make sure when you guys taking out any parts to mark or make any type of markings that you guys can't forget or make a mistake. In this case, we're removing the gasket, replacing the old gasket into the new motor assembly. And also, you know, it's just pretty straightforward. It's a plug and play, meaning that it only goes one way. But like I said, I always advise my guys to always make a mark in some side, either take a picture or make a mark so you cannot make a mistake. Right now, we're actually installing the blower motor. We're wiring everything back up right now. Just double check all your fittings, make sure that everything's working. And that as far as that, all the screws line up. Now we're installing the gas piping right back into the venturi. And voila, we're done. It's pretty straightforward, guys. It's very simple. Always make a notation on what you're doing. Pictures worth 1,000 words, and take a video of before and after. Guys, remember to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and tap the bell button to watch my next video.